walk through installing this new Claude bot on an Amazon cloud server. We're going to see what all the hype's about, see how long it takes to install. Shouldn't be nothing too crazy. You're just going to go to aws.amazon.com. If you haven't created an account, create an account. They do have free tiers, so you can jump right in, get credits up to 6 months without cost and commitment, up to 200 credits. That's the tier that I'm on. I'm going to go ahead and sign into Council. Boom. So I'm signed in. You would put your password, your username in. Going to open up another tab and type in OpenClaw.ai. So the first thing that I want to do in here is I just want to click where it says EC2 right here. And then right in here, you're going to click Launch Instance. All right, so we're just going to name this web server real quick. We'll name it OpenClaw. We want to pick Ubuntu for the server. Under Instant Type, hit the drop down and hit Flex. This is just going to be the best one that we can get on the free tier plan, but they got all sorts of cool stuff. You can scale. Then you want to go down to key pair login. You're going to create new key pair. You're going to name that. We'll name that OpenClaw 2. You're going to click create key. This is going to download into your downloads. You are going to need that later. So as you can see, it just popped up in there. Then from here, we're going to click launch instance. Successfully initiated launch of instance. We're going to click that. Okay, the only thing at some point you'll need is pay attention to where the IP address is, security, port numbers. It's going to say connect. I just need you to click that connect button. Don't worry about none of that. Hit connect again. This is going to open up another tab, and this is going to launch the terminal for the Amazon, for the server that we just created on AWS. So as you can see, we got all of that fun stuff. Now we're going to go over to OpenClaw.ai. OpenClaw, the AI that actually does things, clears your inbox and emails, manages your calendar, checks in flights. You can lock in with WhatsApp, Telegram, you name it. I've been using WhatsApp. I've tested it on Telegram. So yeah, right here, you're simply going to get this line of code. You're just going to copy it right there. Let it copy it to your clipboard. We'll go back to our web server and we'll just paste that in. Look at that. Now it's cooking. This is on a virtual device. When you're using an Amazon web server or any kind of web server, you don't have those issues. So as you can see, it's installing Claude, OpenClaw, which started from Claude Bot and then went to Moltbot, and that was OpenClaw, which was made possible with Claude Code, which was developed from Anthropic. Look at that, home sweet home. Don't worry, I'm about to rearrange the furniture. So you can see this thing's already cooking. Looks like there is a missing path. And boom, it's installed. So it's going to say, I understand that this is powerful, very risky. We are going to go ahead and say, yep. Onboarding, we're going to click quick start. All right, so for it's going to want an API key. We're going to use Anthropic. So real quick, I will just go over to API Anthropic, which take me to like council dot maybe platform. We'll just pop in Claude real quick. We'll create one. There we go. Get API key. We'll just create a new one. We'll go ahead and call this one OpenClaw as well. We're going to add it, copy, back over to our server, API, enter Anthropic API. Boom, it's going to ask what model. Obviously, we want to use Opus 4.5. They do say Sonnet 5's getting ready to drop, so we'll keep an eye on that. But yeah, definitely want to use the latest model. Again, WhatsApp, Telegram, what do you want to use? I've been using WhatsApp, so we'll use that. Very easy. Telegram. You go to WhatsApp, it's going to give us a QR code. Link WhatsApp now. Yep, we'll go for it. So here you open up your WhatsApp on your phone, and then in your WhatsApp, there's a camera. So scan it with your WhatsApp camera, not your phone camera. We'll go ahead and link device. All right, so we got the device linked. Keep WhatsApp logging in. Then it says, this is my personal phone number. I'm just going to type that in. Okay, so we got WhatsApp configured, and then it's going to say eligible manager for skills in PM. Just click yes. Here's different skills you can add on the fly. I'm just going to click skip for now. And we're going to set up Google API keys. No. Gemini, nope. You could always add these later. Notion, you can always add these later. OpenAI, 11 apps, you can always add those later by just talking to your bot. Okay, as you can see, WhatsApp linked. We got a web channel. There's the control UI, so we should be able to type these in the browser and should get us to our dashboard. So, do you want to hatch your bot? In TUI, recommended. Let's go ahead and hatch it. Wake up, my friend. So it's hatching. Hey, I just came online, fresh out the box, no memories yet, blank slate. So what are you? And more importantly, who am I? Do I have a name? What kind of creature should I be? Let's figure this out together. Hello, you are Tiny Prompter, my AI assistant. Tiny Prompter, I like it. There's something enduring about Tiny, like a pocket-sized helper or a little spark of something. All right, so I'm Tiny Prompter, your AI assistant, but what kind of assistant am I? So as you can see, you can now communicate it. Now I'm going to pull up my WhatsApp on my phone, and I should be able to start a new text. And we're going to do this. And if I type in hello, should start to communicate, and we should actually see it start to work on the screen. You guys can't see my phone, but I did say hello. And then you can see, oh, hey, you found me on WhatsApp too. We're just getting acquainted. I'm Tiny Prompter, apparently, which I'm into. Still figuring out the vibe, so let me know. So, yeah, as you can see, we are live.